Hey guys, welcome to Raja Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? And hopefully, everyone had a great day in the market. Unless you bet on every stock going down today, you probably had a great day in the market. And unfortunately for me, I have the only stock I think that did go down today in the market, which is crazy because it was up today. Actually, like over $2 a share. I was up about 400 grand today, 350 grand for a while. It's also down today about 250 grand, and actually, all in the end, we're only down 87,000. So not too bad for where this stock's been and for everything going on. But I have a feeling we're going to see this thing get going here. I like the premium still. Everything's looking good. I looked at it like when the stock was up, buying some back and doing some different things. Thank God I didn't roll anything out or get too aggressive because you never know what will happen. But like I said, I think everything's looking fine. I'm not worried about a few cents up and down. Doesn't a few dollars. In the scheme of things, we're still doing great. We had just a tremendous comeback. And I still have a lot of confidence in everything. I still have a lot of confidence in the end of the week. As long as this stuff stays in this, even if Lucid was 45, 46 for the end of the week, we'll actually have a successful week, roll it out more for next week. If it is down a little bit or not near as close to like 48, 49 as I'd like to see, I may do some 47, 48s for next week or, 46s or something like that just to limit the risk just in case there's any hiccups. But I think the holiday Christmas rally is going to continue. The Omicron news is out. There's not going to be a lot of new news around that except that, hey, it's here. More cases are happening. But just a crazy day today in the markets. The best day for the NASDAQ since March. So everything's come back really strong today. The major indexes, where are they? Oh, there we go. Doesn't show, but yeah, 492 points on the Dow, 460 points on the NASDAQ. Like I said, it's so upsetting because if Lucid didn't have that news this week, and there's a lot of short interest in it too, which I think will pop, once people, start buying up that short interest. But it's just so disappointing because even like I said, today it was $47.21. It started out great. Kind of hung in, then it really came down, then it started coming back. It was only down at one point, about 30, 40 cents, and then it went way back down again, came back, and that's why I figured towards the end it would rally back, and it did. Still down, almost $1 today, but like I said, I'm not too worried about it, still looking good. Not where obviously I'd rather just be up. It's much easier that way, but it is what it is. So I'm not going to complain. I'm very happy. We're still up, tremendous for the year, and doing really well. Bitcoin today was a little higher, come back down. Our Coinbase account 108,000, still struggling over here with everything. But congratulations, Kathy Woods finally had a good update, up 5%. So she is back strong after hitting a new low yesterday. So is this new? Kathy Woods, 560,000 Bitcoin call is now a 988% upside play. Here's how to take advantage of the cryptocurrency slide. Made crazier calls before, and she's been right on the money. Oh my God, she's at it again. She looks crazy in this picture, doesn't she? She looks like the lady in Money Heist, the crazy lady who is chasing the professor around. But also, guys, Apple today, new high. Apple was strong, and after hours even stronger. So Apple up new highs today. But yeah, tremendous day on Apple. And like I said, it's the same thing with Lucid. You get a little bad news. Somebody's going to raise the analyst. Even like yesterday, they raised. How do you raise the forecast on a company that hasn't even built a vehicle? It's not going to even have anything in production until next year. But yesterday, Rivian ran, really hard, from its lows yesterday. It just had a tremendous day because somebody gave it an upgrade. How do you upgrade a company that's not even going to make anything and have $1 of revenue until the fourth quarter of next year? Just insane. But yeah, like I said, everything moving today. Even like some of the meme stocks had a good day. AMC today was up 7. Pretty much like across the board. It would be hard to find something today that wasn't up a lot of money except for Lucid. It's crazy. GameStop had a nice day. All of them. Just a lot of money came into the markets, and just was sidelined, and everybody had a good day. But like I said, I have a lot of confidence. I think we will be fine with Lucid and see it come back here pretty good. But what do you guys got for me? Crazy Carl I got to make some money first. Well, what are you waiting for, buddy? Mitchell Pilot, I blame on the lady that threw rocks at your building. Yeah, and a big shout out to all my Patreon members. Wasn't that insane, that lady? What the heck? Nice boom on Dare. Mentioned over a month ago. Hopefully others got in FDA approval. Take a look at Dare. Congratulations on your hit on Dare. Is that it? Dare. Up 10%. Well, like I said, I mean, there was so much stuff up today. Great. But yeah, that's really good especially on a smaller stock. And wow, after hours, 36%. That is really good. With almost near its 52-week high. So hey, look at the 1 month chart there, 6 month chart year to date. So that definitely looks really good. Congratulations on that one. What else we got here? More Money says PayPal are doing well. PayPal always does well during the holiday season. Always good during the holiday season. But I mean, like I said, I mean everything was up. I think I own the only stock today that wasn't up. Karen, good morning from Australia, Raja. I hope things are well in the markets and you continue to make lots of money. Thanks so much, Karen. Fire 777. I like Disney, but it's been a dog for me. I mean, last time I was looking at Disney, it was like 200, and then it had dropped like 170s after earnings, and oh my God, 150. Holy smoke! Disney just got smoked in this last month. Wow, what happened at Disney? Well, like we said, the parks and closures and different stuff, and they have overestimates on people. One thing is with the whole Disney, and a lot of these companies with going after Netflix, the online content, services and stuff. You got to remember, like Apple and Disney, they give everyone their service for a year for free. So you got to remember, like, it looked really good. Like, oh, we got 50 million people, but then when it came time to pay, a lot of people canceled, so they didn't have those people. Tab says APPS roller coaster was long 2,000 shares at 52 from August to beginning of November, then turned around, shorted 2,000 shares at 85 and got out at 50. Started a long position 2,000 shares at 49 yesterday. So, well, hopefully that one works out good for you guys. APPS. Familiar with that one, but well, looks like you're doing good on it. You should be up $10,000 today on Digital Turbine. It's a slot machine in the house. How you doing, Simon? Rod, hi Raja. What do you think about Elon Musk? So I am surprised. So let me just say this with this whole thing with Elon Musk today and the news. So if you guys heard, and that's why EV stocks are running so hard. And Elon Musk today basically, told Biden and all this about they don't need any more credits. We don't need any of this stuff. I think Elon Musk. I think the true Elon Musk finally came out today. Elon Musk always, competition's good, this and that. Well, it's funny. Elon Musk didn't tell Congress or whoever was in office at the time that he didn't want $7,500 auto credits for EV cars. When they were the only EV maker out there and growing their company. Did you hear him say that? But it's funny now how there is a wait to get Teslas, and like any car, because of a shortage of microchips and stuff. But it's funny now how he says we don't need tax incentives or credits for EV cars or EV charging stations. So basically, he's saying to all those other EV companies out there. He does give you the middle finger. Basically, the middle finger, not this finger, but he's basically telling them all. I thought this was probably in all my time of watching Elon Musk. I honestly thought this may be one of the most pettiest things he's ever done. I mean, truly, it wasn't, and if he doesn't need the money, then he should say, we'll donate $7,500 of every car to some other new program that they sell if he thinks they don't need help. But it's funny that he never complained or said anything about it when it was only benefiting his company. But now that there's all this competition and all these other companies, now Elon Musk is, nobody needs help. So very interesting. Chad says, check out EDR. There you go, Chad. We've checked it out. Don't know what we're looking for, but there it is, up 2% today. Like I said, it would be hard, besides Lucid today, it'd be hard to find anything not up. But the stock looks like it's been going up nicely and very close to, today to its 52-week high. So hopefully it continues to go up. Steve Cohen says, ENVX, just love it. ENVX. Like I said, you should love everything today. It's hard to find anything not to love today. But yeah, another one, 5% today. So, Tracy D says he's flipping him the bird sitting on top of a stack of cash he took. He said it's flipping him the bird on top of a stack of cash along with along with all his Dogecoin. That's sinking. So, what else you guys got today? I said, Jim Cramer today said to buy Disney, PayPal, and Lucid. That's unusual. Cramer's been against Lucid sometimes, but when it was all at $50, he said it was too frothy, and now at 44, he loves it. So who knows if he's? I didn't hear that or anything. So. Be interesting where all that one goes. Had a DWAC today. That's the Trump new one, and this one, had another rally day. It's been choppy this last week and moving, but they were supposed to, I thought, launch here pretty soon. So it could be something where something here pretty soon comes into play and stuff. So it'll be interesting. That'll be another one to watch because it could just take off when we least expect it. But stock futures looking up again after the market rally. We just need to get loose. Like I said, it's so disappointing because Lucid today was doing so well. It was running and started the day up tremendously, and it's just disappointing. You just want to. It's just nice to catch one good day and and just make it work. But Mitchell Pilot, how do you get a line of credit at a casino? You just apply for it. Most casinos, if you talk to them or on their websites or you call your host, they'll send you a link and you apply for a line of credit. All they do, they verify. So basically, to get a line of credit at a casino, the only thing they verify, they run a credit check and verify you don't owe any other casino's money and have always paid. But they just verify that whatever amount of credit you ask for, that you have that much money in your bank account. So if you want a $10,000 credit line, make sure you have 10 grand in the bank when they call your bank to check it out. Tab, thoughts on CFVI, another Trump stock, purchasing Rumble. CFVI. CF Acquisition. This is another blank check company. A lot of the blank check companies got killed recently because of everything with Lucid or stuff. But Ride, how's that one been holding up? That one's bouncing around a little bit. It's another one on a trajectory. NEO was up pretty good today when I last checked. Only 2%. It was up higher, yeah. How about Amazon? That getting near its highs again. So, getting up there. It's about 200 points below. But how about Netflix? All these ones are all just running again, back in action. Moderna was one. I was surprised hasn't come back better. What's the symbol? MRDN or MR? There it is. MRNA. But yeah, this one has been as high as $500. But look at that chart in the last month. This thing really took off, over Omicron again, and then came back down. So I think some of those. How about Pfizer? Pfizer had hit that new high also. Still holding up there, 52s. So a little bit down, but yeah, everything from the Omicron. So like I said, everything's looking good. I think we'll we'll have a good rally. Like I said, Lucid tried to do it today. It's come back strong. It's held up really good for the news. And I think we'll get what we're looking for out of it. Not too worried. More money. How long do you have to pay the credit line in a casino? So most credit lines in a casino are 30 days. So from the time you leave, you have 30 days to pay it back interest free. And they'll give you more time also if you needed more time. But usually, if you want to continue to have a line of credit and keep playing there, you would need to keep it going and stuff. So that one is how it works. Now, some casinos you have to pay when you leave. It's different at all different casinos. Like on the cruise boat, they give you a line of credit. You basically just give them a check, and then when you leave, you have to cash your check. So that is how that works. And of course, the big hot one today, Jeff Schwartz, #1 pick. Jaguar had an amazing day, but this stock, if you look at this stock year to date, this thing is just freaking horrid. Look at this thing. So all-time, it was basically near, I didn't know what 96 cents. It was almost near its lows the other day. Nowhere near its $13 high in the last year. But just crazy how these things just bleed. They just bleed out so fast. Also, this one today. This one had a big day, but then after hours, getting pummeled again. We had watched this one before. My size. It's crazy how some of these meme stocks just never recover. This one had almost great day, up 15%, 10 cents. Then after hours, down 6 cents. So they move fast. This one the last month. There we go. crazy how fast these things come and go. There we go. But that's what I got for you guys. And don't forget, guys, tonight I am live at the Monarch Casino Resort Spa. Actually, not there tonight, but let's check it out. I'm actually at the Gilpin tonight. So, but how's Monarch doing? So yeah, that one holding up in the rally. Surprised that's down today. I didn't even check any stuff. I didn't see what Penn did today. Penn was up a little bit, but I mean this one's just been pounded because of the whole Dave Portnoy, I can't say his name, scandal. So hopefully it bounces back for because I have this one. But hey guys, thank you so much. We're gonna be live at the Gilpin tonight. Maybe some late night play at Monarch too. You never know. But be live at the Gilpin. I haven't been there in over a year, so excited to go there. I was gonna go to the Lodge Casino, which is owned by the Gilpin Lodge and the Gilpin are both owned by the same people. But they're putting in new carpet tonight, so they're remodeling it, or new carpet at least. So they actually have the entire casino shut down for 2 days. I was surprised. And should be a good show. Hopefully lots of fun. And I'll see all of you guys live tonight on the Big Jackpot. Starts at 6:30 on Facebook and then 7:15 on YouTube. I'll see you guys there. And best of luck tomorrow if I don't